Hi. If you ever have such an error like this, can find script engine vbscript for script and the path to script. Well, there are two possible solutions for this error. The first one, try to re-register the vbscript.dll by running the following command. You can find the command in the video description. Copy the command, open Start menu, type cmd, right-click on cmd and select Run as Administrator. Paste the command here. If the registration was successful, you should see the following message. Let's check if the issue fixed. Same issue. Okay. The second solution. If you recently uninstalled antivirus software, that may lead to this error. But why? Because antivirus software may have changed a registry key for vbscript. To correct the registry key, open Run window and type regedit. Click OK. Under Computer Node, expand HKey classes root. Search for CLSID. Expand CLSID node. Copy this key. You can find the key in the video description. Click on Edit and select Find. Paste the key here and click Find Next. Once the key has found it, expand the Keys node. Click on nproc server 32. Check the path for the default registry key. It will most likely point to the path of your antivirus product, and it really does. Now modify the default registry key and change the path to this path. After making the change, vbscript started running again. That's all for this tutorial. I hope it was easy to follow and helpful. Thanks for watching.